So we often hear a lot of people say, what's the difference between VR and AR? And a lot of people are like, don't really understand what they are. So here it is. There's a lot of R's and everything. But so VR is called virtual reality. And virtual reality is when you put on goggles or some kind of glasses and you immerse yourself in a brand new world. I could be a big teddy bear. Juliana and Josh behind the camera there, they could be whatever character they want. And instead of this being the VizVibe headquarters, this could be a beach somewhere and we could be having a conference. That's virtual reality. Augmented reality is taking this exact office and doing stuff. For example, if I tap here, this opens up and it tells you a little bit about VizVibe. Or if I click over here, now we have the VizVibe logo floating around. And that allows us to do some really good stuff when it comes to industrial AR, when it comes to education, when it comes to training and safety and security and service, and the list goes on and on and on. As we like to say, the possibilities are endless. So VR, you're immersed in a world. AR, it's overlays on your existing world.